Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my manifestation videos. Today we're going to talk about powerful crystals that you can use for protection, like booyah, wow. This is powerful, you guys, because every day we are going through everyday challenges. And you really need to know, if you love crystals, what crystals you should be carrying or wearing or putting around your neck. Now listen, I am very particular about what I wear on each day. I don't normally just get up and throw something on. I actually know what is it that I'm gonna need alignment with. What is it that I'm gonna need to carry around with me? And that's how I proceed with my day. But if you wanna know what crystals that I wear for protection throughout my day, I want you to keep watching. And if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but manifestation techniques, spirituality lessons, rituals in all different ways, all right here in one place. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching my videos. And I want to thank so many people that have been supporting this channel. I'm back, you guys. Like, wow, crystals. You guys have to understand, many people are walking around with crystals all up their arms, crystals all the way down up to their elbows. I don't know. But everywhere you go, you're seeing people wearing crystals, okay? Now, crystals have their own energy, you guys, no matter what anyone would say. And I will tell you this, for all those non-believers out there, God, the universe, made the crystals, okay? Okay? Some places in this world, crystals are just like rocks, okay? And they're there for you to pick up and for you to use. Many healing centers use crystals. Many people that deal with meditation, they use crystals. Crystals are used in many different forms. And again, it can also be used to help with protection. What crystals would I suggest for protection? Now, you guys know I am a crystal person. The first crystal that I would say that usually I don't leave home without, and that would be, my tiger's eye. Now, why the tiger's eye? The tiger's eye has many benefits, you guys, whether it's courage, protection, motivation. When you think of the tiger's eye, I want you to relate it to either the lion or the tiger in the jungle. They ruling the jungle. And that's how I want you to look at the tiger's eye crystal when you think of it. When you walk around with tiger's eye, you are boosting that energy of courage, motivation, protection, and you're ready to take on the world. I love the tiger's eye. First of all, I'm a Leo. I'm a lion, first of all. So I associate the tiger's eye with the lion, with the tiger. Also, I'm a July baby, okay? So with the sun, so everything that aligns with me correlates with a tiger's eye. Tiger eye is represented by the sun, okay? So all these things resonate with me, and I carry around the tiger's eye with me almost every day. Now, how would you carry this around with you? You might want to place this in your pocket, in your bag. I usually carry it around the easiest way by wearing it as a bracelet or as a tumblestone around my neck. Okay, some people wear it as earrings. There's so many things you can do. You can even have tiger's eye placed around your home, okay? And nobody would think of it. They would just think that it's a beautiful crystal in your home. Now, another crystal that I would say that is a must when it comes down to protection, and that would be the black tourmaline, everyone. Listen, this hard, jagged crystal is powerful. It's one of my favorite, along with the tiger's eye. Most of the time, when you see me wearing a tiger's eye, it is usually combined somehow with a black tourmaline, okay? Here I have black tourmaline, tiger's eye, and Palo Santo, okay? These crystals here, together, you are totally protected from external forces, courage, motivation, success, because you got to understand, it takes courage and motivation and willpower to move forward in life, to be successful. So when I carry these crystals with me, it's almost like I'm wearing black, where you can't touch me. I'm invincible, okay? It resonates that same energy, okay, when it comes down to protection, motivation, courage, at your job, at home, whatever. It just gives you that extra boost. So for me, most of the time when you see me, you're going to see me wearing some type of tiger eye or black tourmaline. And if not, most likely both. It's a win-win, you guys. When it comes down to protection, success, motivation, everything, all in one. So it doesn't matter if you wear one or both. They both represent. Now, what arms would I wear this on? When it comes down to getting in alignment for myself, I wear it on my non-dominant arm. When it comes down to radiating motivation, success, and power and protection, I wear it on my dominant arm. So for me, I would wear it on both. Okay? And stick with me because I'm going to give you an extra tip. When it comes down to cleansing your area, cleansing protection and cleansing everything, whether it's in your office or at home or in your bedroom, selenite would be the crystal, you guys, okay? Why? Selenite is known to cleanse everything it's around. You can take all your crystals and place it in a selenite dish or place it in an area where the selenite is, where it can cleanse your crystals naturally, okay? Sometimes I would wear a selenite bracelet to help cleanse whatever's going on around me, even on the external or within. So you can wear selenite for both. Now, selenite is not a crystal for protection. It's more of a crystal for cleansing. And again, you have to remember whatever's going on in your life, you attracted it, okay? So when you start cleansing your environment, cleansing that negative energy, you're helping the black tourmaline or the tiger's eye to do its job. Again, you're cleansing your aura, you're cleansing your room, you're cleansing your office, wherever you are. So again, you can wear these as bracelets, which will be the simplest way of doing things, or around your neck, or as earrings, or anklet, whatever you want. Or you can even use it like I do and have these nice, pretty crystal gemstones on your desk, in your office, or in your home. I have selenite crystals this big upstairs in the area where people gather, so it is absorbing that negative energy. To add on to this, any black crystal works, okay? Hematite is for grounding. It's keeping you grounded. At the same time, it repels that negativity also. Crystals that are black are powerful. You can also use crystals that are blue for communication, better communication, okay? But when I say protection, it absolutely is going to be a tiger's eye and a black tourmaline. Now, to add on to this, tiger's eye come in many different forms. It could be a blue tiger's eye, a red tiger's eye. When you're dealing with the red tiger's eye, it's dealing with the lower chakras for balancing, but also for protection. When you're dealing with the blue tiger's eye, it's giving you protection, but at the same time, it's giving you the courage and the motivation to be able to speak, to be able to communicate better with all. So people don't know the difference between them, okay? These crystals work. They come in many different forms, whether it's raw, whether it's tumblestone. Go right ahead. Put it in your wallet. Put it on your desk. Where is this crystal jewelry? Whatever you want. Be protected as you step out that door. Now, for those of you that are still here, whatever it is you're wearing, I need you to cleanse it before you wear it and set the intent. I need you to either run water on it if it's allowing. Like, I wouldn't run water on a raw crystal. It might mess it up. You could sage it. Okay, I have some sage here where you can sage the room or sage the crystal, okay, while you're holding it. You can actually sage it, okay, to release that negativity from it. Or you can put it outside if it's allowing for that crystal to go outside to let the sun or the moonlight cleanse it. And then when you finish, I need you to hold that crystal in your hand. And I just need you to state what it is you want that crystal to do. It could be something as I hold this crystal in my hand, this crystal is protecting me, giving me the motivation, the encouragement to get out and do the things that I want to do. At the same time, this crystal is protecting me from all that there is. It could be something just as simple as that, okay? Cleansing the crystal, it could be this tumblestone could be placed under water in your hand, okay? And then after that, pat dry, and then setting the intent, okay? For this crystal, what you want this crystal to do. And listen, you guys, it is just that simple. So now listen, I just gave you three powerful crystals that you can carry around with you. Again, any black crystal, jet, okay? Hematite is another one. Snowflake obsidian, black obsidian. Any obsidian is usually good for protection, okay? Pyrite. Whoa! Pyrite, for those people that are still here, is another crystal that you might want to carry around with you, because not only is it for abundance, but it's really for protection. So that's another crystal that you might want to carry around with you. Again, so many crystals are out there. I can name so many as I go along, but there's so many for protection. If you want to know more about protection, please go to my protection playlist. There's so much more videos there and rituals that you can do to protect yourself. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you want any of these things, any of them, whether we're talking about black tourmaline that you can put in your necklace, or carrying around a tiger's eye tumblestone, or maybe you want some selenite, okay? Whatever you want, please look in the description. Everything is there. And believe me, you won't get it for a cheaper price. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and namaste.